Hi, my name is Rosie Greer. Welcome to my website. I hope you enjoy all my art. Today I'm going to work with you a little bit and show you how I draw my birds, my beaky and airy nape. They were born once I babysat a bird, and I created all these cards for my husband, and they all became this series of love cards. And so I was going to show you how I do those. When I'm getting ready to draw a cartoon, I'm going to start with my beaky and airy characters, and I start with my horizon, and he's a little taller than her, and she's just slightly smaller than him. And I get an idea of where they're going to be and what I'm going to write about. And I start with the head, and he's got a beak. And then I start getting her set up for where she's going to be. And he's got a big pot belly, and she's breasty. And then I try to get an idea of where their hands are going to be. And then I draw very lightly. And I try to make my mistakes all in pencil. And then once I go to my slick up, I go to my light table. And then I use my pens and I use my color. But I map out their heads. And where they're going to be. And how they're going to hold each other. And then I come in with the darker lines. Whoops. I come in with the darker lines. And then I get the tail in there. And then I start with their feet. Map out how they're going to stand. And then what I would normally do is come in with some color, and they're Day-Glo green with Day-Glo orange beaks. They have red napes and tips of the tail, and if they have a captioning, then I fill that in. Okay, normally, most people, when they think of a bird, they think of a normal bird, which would be a head and a body and feet, little triangle, little smile, little head, little triangle. Then you would come in and do like another little smile. And then you would come in with your detail, with your eyeball, maybe a little tuft. A little tuft, little beak. Maybe that's a bit of a duck, I guess. So you would have. And that would be a kind of a standard little bird, a little duck type critter. I have taken, with my birds, I've taken what somebody would normally do and personified the bird and turned it into an upright, more of a human character. So my bird looks more like this. More of a cartoon character as opposed to your standard bird.
Very good.
Oh, I was going to say that the neat thing about drawing anything that you want to draw is that you can do anything that you want to do. You can personify anything. You can draw it there. You don't have to draw sky blue. You don't have to make the grass green. You don't have to make flowers pretty. You can do whatever you want. It's your imagination. It's your creation. It's your idea, and you can't be wrong. You do what you want to do. It doesn't have to be standardized or look like a photograph.